Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm out here today to collect some pine sap and some birch bark if I can manage to find some. But at mixed camp, I was given the tactical Ridgeline from Tarpach Innovations. So I thought we give that a run today. So let's get straight into it. This is the tactical Ridgeline set. You got your tree straps, you got your ratchet Ridgeline, you got your 4 Prusiks, however you want to pronounce it, and then you got your guy lines right there. You get 4 guy lines. This is what I've been working with for the last year. I wanted something simple, quick, and easy. No bow lines, no taut line hitches, no timber hitches, no knots. Just quick and easy. So as you can see, it's a toggle on a Prusik. Just goes around and tightens itself by tension. And I've got a load of Prusiks with carabiners on, so I don't have to run around looking for sticks and stuff to hook my tarp up to. And on that side, it's just a sliding toggle with a loop that goes around it. And that is what I've been using again for the last year. So I was very intrigued to see what this is going to be like, because again, no knots. It gets rid of the knots and all the faffing about. So we'll set it up and I'll hang a tarp from it and we'll see how it goes. Oh, is it windy today? Right, let's get these tree lines around, these tree straps. I do believe they're working on sleeves for these lines to protect the tree. So what I'm thinking here is I'm just going to loop that through there for now. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to loop that through there like that. It's all nice and tidy, look at that. And I'm going to hang the ratchet straight onto it. Look, even little toggle tires, look at that. Nice little touches. So right, hook my carabiner onto the other end. And then we're going to do a tree line on that side. And we'll ratchet it together. Nice. Nice, nice and tidy. Again, I'm going to do it the same way. Just going to loop it through. Seems like good cordage as well. I do like these toggle tidies. I do like them. No knots, no knots, no knots. No knots. Nice. Right. So then it should be as simple as hooking that onto there and pulling your ratchet. All right. That's a nice touch, that is. I like that. All right, time for the Prusiks. Now that should eliminate the need for my carabiners. So obviously you can push that through and then use the toggle yourself like that. And then cinch down with that. I like it. I like it. And again, nice and neat. Look at that. Now, when I was speaking to one of the gentlemen from Tarpach Innovations, he did say they was testing the cordage to find out what type of Prusik would have more tension. I use Bankline for my Prusiks. This is quite similar. Quite similar. So I'll slap some Prusik knots on here. Prusiks, whatever you want to say. People always correct me. And then we'll see how they go. I must say, I quite like them. It's a little bit like bank line, but I don't think it is bank line. Sturdy though. Right, let's clip the top to it, shall we? Bloody windy out here today. So normally I just clip on, but with this one, I think it's best if we just use the toggle like that. Still don't have to rush around looking for sticks that way. Right, good rest. All right, mate. All right, mate. All right, all right. All right. Try to do a video here. All right. Jesus. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Right. Just pull down on these a little bit. I have to do that with my own Prusiks because of the rigidness of the line. Just make sure they're all dressed tidy. Give them a fair chance, you know what I mean? Right, we've got a little bit of slack in the line. But that is what the ratchet's for. Nice, liking it, liking it. Very bloody nice. I've connected the wrong eye. I'll be back. Right, Prusik's on. The other two are tightened, I do believe. God, that's tight on there, that is. That's tight on there. Will they slide? Like I said, with my ones, my Prusik ain't dressed properly. If your Prusik is not gripping, make sure it's dressed properly. And look at the slack that's created in that, and the tension between that and that down there. All right, see if it moves. Tell you what, how it's dressed properly. I'm actually leaning back. That's fairly bloody strong, you know. That grips that quite well. He did say he was testing them for ages. I only got leverage on the bloody tree. I'm impressed with that. Okay. 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 As you can see, it's blowing everywhere, so it's hard for me to film it. But toggle, same as the others. And then with the peg end, what I've done is I've just hooked it around this tree for now. But this is how you tension it. You should just like that, and then you should be able to clip in. Nice. Nice and taut. Right, I'll put the other side up. So that's it, all set up. All guy lines, ridgeline, ratchet, tree straps. That is the tactical Ridgeline from Tarpach Innovations. And I do believe Tarpach is Gaelic for sturdy. I do believe. So, first impressions? I bloody like it. I mean, my old Ridgeline was made because I couldn't be bothered doing knots anymore. This one has eliminated knots and it's a lot more tidier. It's an actual proper kit. Like I said, the guys told me that they have been testing all different types of cordage to see what works better in the ratchets and the Prusiks and all stuff like that. So yeah, I'm quite chuffed. Thanks to Tarpach Innovations for my new Ridgeline. I shall be using it. Next time you see it should be with the Teagman, which weighs quite a bit more than the Tarp. So we'll see how sturdy it actually is then. But I'm pretty sure it will hold up. It's nice. I'm hanging on them Prusik knots. And yes, I shall leave a link in the description. If you head over to Hampshire Outdoors and Survival, I do believe his subscribers are getting a promo code. If I can get hold of that, I will put that in the description as well. And yeah, like I said, chuffed. My new Ridgeline set. Pucker. Now it's time to walk around the woods, find some more pine sap. That's going to take some cleaning when I get home. When I get home. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I will catch you on the next one. Links will be in the description. Promo code if I can get it. Lovely jubbly. I'm a happy chappy.